how to use proximity sensor on setting on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search quick setting developer tools. You will see quick setting developer tools is here. So click on quick setting developer tools. So click on sensor off. So if you want to use proximity sensor, so if you want to turn on sensor and turn off sensor from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can how to use proximity sensor setting and problem fix on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.